Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a job card. First, understand that a job card is a crucial document, often linked to government employment schemes, providing guaranteed work for a specified number of days, typically 100 days per financial year. It ensures fair wages and transparency in rural employment. We will cover the essential steps to help you successfully apply for and receive your own job card. To be eligible, you must be an adult member of a rural household at least 18 years old. You will need to provide several key documents. These typically include proof of identity, such as an Aadhaar card or voter ID, and proof of address, like a utility bill. Also, ensure you have a recent passport-sized photograph ready for your application. The application process is straightforward. You can obtain the official application form from your local Gram Panchayat office or designated Common Service Center. Carefully fill in all the required details, ensuring accuracy to avoid delays. Once completed, submit the form along with all your supporting documents to the same office. A receipt will be provided upon successful submission. After submission, the authorities will verify all the information and documents you provided. This often includes a field verification at your residence to confirm your eligibility. Upon successful verification and approval, your job card will be issued. This process typically takes around 15 working days, after which you can collect your card from the Gram Panchayat office.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.